Hi students, let us learn about operation on polynomials. Okay, there are four operations that you know it very well. These are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of polynomials. It is similar to the operation of algebraic expressions. Just we will see few examples. Okay. Now first of all, I will make here place to solve the examples operation on polynomials. I will write here example. First add the polynomials. Okay, I will write one example here. X cube minus 2x square minus 9, and we have to add another polynomial in that, so in between these two polynomials we have to write the plus sign, plus 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. Now look how to add these polynomials. Now it's equal to, first of all you have to write the like terms together and in the descending order of the indices of polynomials. Now x cube is the first term, another like term of x cube is 5x cube. After that you can see there is only one term of x square, that's negative 2x square, that we will write. Now next to that we have to write 2x, then the constant terms from both the polynomials, these are negative 9 and another polynomial is positive 9. Okay, now next step is we have to add the like polynomials. Okay, now x cube plus 5x cube, here coefficient is not there, means here's coefficient is 1, so 5 plus 1 6x cube. Now these are single terms, so we have to write these as it is. Plus 9 minus 9's answer is 0, so you can write plus 0, or if you will not write any term here, also okay, then your answer is 6x cube minus 2x square plus 2x. Now here all terms are unlike terms, not like terms, so we have to keep that answer as it is. Understand this? One more example I will take here. So again same thing. Okay, just I will rub this. One more example of addition I will write here. Any polynomial you can take. I will take 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 8x square minus 9x plus 3. This is my first polynomial, and in that you have to add another polynomial, that is x raised to 3 minus 7x plus 8. Okay, now first of all I have to write here like terms. You can see here x raised to 4, any term is not there, so that I will write as it is, minus 3x cube, another like term from second bracket, it is plus x cube, with sign we have to write this, plus 8x square single term, minus 9x, second brackets minus 7x, plus 3 plus 8. Now just I will underline the like terms from these two terms, these two and these two. Okay, so now I will write the answers of this. 2x raised to 4, it will remain as it is. Minus sign will be there because here's coefficient is 1. 3 minus 1, 2 x cube plus 8x square, that is single term, so as it is. Now minus sign will be minus only, and you have to add this. 9 plus 7, 16x plus 8 plus 3, it is equal to 11. Now there is not any like term, so this will remain as it is. Now we will see the example of subtraction. Okay, addition there, you have to take the like terms together and solve the example. Now in subtraction, whatever second bracket will be there, you have to change the signs of that second polynomial, and then you have to solve the examples. Okay, so I will take here one example of subtraction. Look, five x square minus 3x. Okay, I have to subtract 5x square minus 3x from 7x square plus 8x minus 6. Means first of all, I have to subtract 5x square minus 3x from this term. So first of all, I have to write this second polynomial. So I will write it, that is 7x square plus 8x minus 6. Now we have to do subtraction, so I will write subtract sign, and the first polynomial I will write in the bracket minus 3x. Now look, you can see here second brackets outside minus sign is, so first bracket I will write as it is, and second bracket sign it will change. 5 is positive, negative sign is outside, so it will become negative. Now negative it will become positive 3x, then it is equal to, so next step is 7x square, look, plus 8x minus 6 minus 5x square plus 3x. Now next we have to write the like terms together. So here like terms are 7x square minus 5x square plus 8x plus 3x minus 6. So it is equal to like terms, these two like terms are, and these two. So what we have to do now? 7 minus 5. So answer is 2x square plus 8 plus 3, 11x minus 6. Okay. Now one more example we will see here for your understanding. So again I will make here place. You can solve these examples by vertical method also, but horizontal method is mostly used in your book. So I will take one more example. You have to subtract they will give the question like this way: subtract the second term from the first or first from the second. According to that, you have to write the polynomials. Now I will write here one more example, that is 8x cube minus 9x square plus 7x plus 10 minus 6x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 6. Okay, now I will solve this. First of all, we have to change the sign of second bracket. So first, whatever polynomial will be there, you have to write as it is. Now here minus sign will be there. Minus minus it will become plus. So plus 2x square minus 3x and plus 6. Now instead of taking like terms together, directly I will write the answer. Here 8x cube minus 6x cube means 2x cube. Is there x square terms? Yes, two terms are there. So minus 9 and plus 2 minus 7x square. Then plus 7 minus 3 4x and plus 10 plus 6 it is equal to 16. You have to take like terms together and solve the questions. Okay. Now we will see multiplication of polynomials. First of all, we had seen addition, then subtraction of polynomials. Now we have to see multiplication of polynomials. It is easy. Already you have studied this. How to multiply monomial by binomial, or monomial by monomial, or trinomial by monomial, trinomial by binomial. Okay, same way we will see here. I will take one example. Multiply 2x multiplied by x square plus 3x minus 7. Now here look, you have to multiply each term from the bracket by 2x. So here we have to multiply the trinomial by monomial. So 2x multiplied by x square plus 2x multiplied by 3x plus 2x multiplied by 7. So your answer is 2x. Here x how many times? This 2 times and this 1. So 3. While multiplying, you have to write the proper index of that variable. Now 2 3s are 6 and x how many times? 2 times. Here minus plus 2x multiplied by negative 7 is there. So negative sign will come. 2x 2 7s are, or 7 2s are 14x. Okay, that is your answer. Now we'll see one more example. Multiplying binomial by binomial. So I will multiply here binomial by binomial. So we'll write the example. X plus 3 and another bracket multiply x plus 2. Here middle multiplication sign. Okay, is equal to. Now each and every term from first bracket to second. You can write like this also, x into x plus 2 plus first bracket second term is 3. With sign you have to take the terms plus 2. Okay. Now x multiplied by x, directly I will write x square. X multiplied by 2, that is 2x. Here nothing sign is there, otherwise you can think 2x. Then plus 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 2, 6. Now here these two are like terms, so your answer is x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, same way you have to multiply the binomial by trinomial or by monomial. Okay, and solve the examples. Now we will see few examples of division. Actual, this is the revision from 6th, 7th, 8th standard. Okay, so whatever points you have studied in this previous standard, you have to apply this here. Now we will see one example of division. So I will write here the example. X square minus minus 4 divided by just only x we will take. Now look here, x square upon, or I will write here 4x. Okay, now x square minus 4x divided by x. Here what we have to do, x square, these steps also you have studied in 8th standard, x. So here I have to write the quotient x here, subtraction will be there, x square, it will cancel 0. Now next term is negative 4x. So negative sign is there, so here also negative sign will come, or you can write like this way here, negative 4x upon x, x will be cancelled, it will come negative 4. So here negative 4, here again it will come negative 4x. Now division means we have to subtract this, so this will become positive. Here keep in mind, this is the quotient, then this is known as the dividend, divisor, and this is remainder. Same way you have to solve the examples from your practice set 3.2. Okay, thank you, bye.